Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. It's Ash Rose. So for starters, I'm just priming my face, and you guys already know this is the e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. I really love this balm. It's so hydrating and moisturizing. The second primer that I'm going to be using is the Colourpop All-Star Matte and Blur Primer. And this is just the base that it has is like really tacky, so it's going to be super nice and easy when I apply my foundation. It's not going to give me problems. It's going to give my foundation something to stick to all night long. Now I did take and do my eyebrows off camera like I always do, but I just want to show you guys that I used the NYX Eyebrow Gel. And now I'm going into my eyes. I'm first taking the shade called Secret from the Jaclyn Morphe Ring the Alarm palette. Now you guys, I wanted to let you know that this palette was so hard to work with. It was extremely hard to blend these colors out, and you guys will see that throughout the process of me blending my eyes, or trying to do my eyes such and such. Next I take the shade called Alert, and this is where it kind of got just out of hand. So hard to blend this color with the shade Secret, and I do not understand where I went wrong at. I will try and give this palette another go around, but just to let you guys know, it was super hard to deal with. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So here's where I went back in with the brush that I had the shade Secret on to try and blend out the color Alert. And it did work out a bit for me, but I also do go in with a shade called Mugshot from this palette. And I go in between the shade Secret and Alert, and I also go above Alert to try and blend some more and try and just make it, look nice as I possibly can. So now I'm going to cut my crease, and I'm just using Revolution Makeup Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Halo. You do not need to use a white base for the color that we're going to put over top of this. You can just use your regular concealer, and that will actually work really good as well. But I just went in with this, and after I apply it, I will be packing it down just to take off some of the excess concealer that we do not need from here. So as far as the cut crease goes, you do not need to bring it out as far as I did. I was just experimenting, seeing what I wanted to do. And now I'm going to be taking the shade Secret again, and I'm going to be bringing that inward onto the cut crease. Kind of like as if you were doing your wing eyeliner, but in the backwards motion. So yeah, I'm just going to be bringing that in, and I'm going to be blending that onto the lid in that direction, that way. And next I'm going to be taking the shade called Boom from the palette as well. It's an orangey shimmer shade, super pretty, and I'm just going to pack that where the white is still showing. And then I will be taking the brush with Secret just to blend out the edges so everything is nice and seamless.
Bling on the track.
So after blending everything out, I'm going to be taking my duo lash glue, and I'm going to be taking the lashes in the style called Virgo. These are from a brand called QueenVLashesss, and these lashes are very thin and wispy kind of. They are 25 millimeter, and I feel like they went perfectly with this look. Yeah, like they weren't too much, but they weren't too little, so it kind of just balanced each other out. So before I finish my eyes, I'm just going to jump straight into foundation. I'm taking two foundations today. The Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F13, and Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 368 Deep Golden. I first applied Revolution Makeup onto my face, and then I take the Maybelline Fit Me onto my brush, just a little bit at a time, just trying to blend these two colors together to try and get a somewhat matching foundation color. I feel like I'm having a James Charles moment, you guys. Foundation is like so annoying for me, but We're going to get it. We are going to get it. I promise. So to highlight and contour, I'll be taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers. The shade that I'll be taking to highlight with is Warm Honey. And I'm just taking it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I've really been loving these concealers so far. They are super easy to blend, and I realized that they do not crease for me, so that is a plus, which makes me love them even more. But the downside is they do dry super fast, so you have to work kind of quick with these. So to contour, I'm just going to be taking this shade called Deep Walnut, and I'll be contouring my cheeks, the sides of my nose, and around the forehead area. Like I said, these do dry a bit fast, so you have to work quick with them. I do wish I had did one side of my face first, but you know. So to set the highlighted areas, I'll just be taking my Airspun Loose face powder in the shade Translucent, and I'm taking it on a brush and kind of just like patting those areas. And I realized that this works best for me. That's why I've been doing it lately. So to set all the areas that I contour with, I'm now going to be taking the shade called Fabulous out the Morphe 8H palette. I've been loving using this shade lately. It's the perfect shade for me. It's so beautiful against my skin. It looks so bronzy. I really do love it. So to deal with the excess powder that is still on my face, I'll first be taking a big fluffy brush just to wipe away, and then I'll be taking my foundation brush to pat in any excess powder that, you know, I didn't get to wipe away. And this has been working really nice for me. I love the outcome of doing this. So to finish off the lower lash line, I'm going to be smoking it out. I'm first going to take the shade called Secret on a pencil brush. I'm going to pack this on underneath the lower lash line. And after I do that, I'm going to be taking the shade called Mugshot to blend everything out on the lower lash line, just so there's no harsh edges under there as well. So to really finish off my eyes, I'm just going to be going in with some mascara onto the lower lashes. And of course, I got mascara on my face. It never seems to fail, you guys. But this was the Lancome sample size mascara. Now to set my face, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Bear With Me setting spray. And you guys, this setting spray smells so bomb, okay? It smells so good. For my lips, I'm going in with a Wet n Wild lip liner just to line my lips. And crazy thing is, I can't even think of the name of this lip liner. It's so crazy. I always use this combo, but I can't even think of it. But it will be in the description box down below. Just to put over top, I'll be using my NYX Buttergloss in the shade Madeline. And you guys already know this is my favorite combo. It creates the perfect nudie shade for me, okay? So don't judge me. So I am not done yet, of course. I did not forget my highlight. I'm going into the Morphe AH palette, and I'm taking that shade called Mirage, and I'm just going to be going ham everywhere that needs to be highlighted. You guys know highlight is my favorite part of makeup, so of course I just had to. So this is my final look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and a comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified for when I upload more videos. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.